With the walls still unfinished and the window panes not yet installed, on April 15, 1921, an entrance ceremony was held in this room, which was the only one free of scaffolding. In the middle of January, the Hanis met Wright through Endo and asked Wright to do the planning. Later that month, Wright visited the site, and construction commenced on March 15th. The week after the entrance ceremony, he started working on the classroom next to this room, presently called the Taliesin, and then the classrooms on the west wing and the central building were completed in June 1922. On July 22nd of the same year, Wright returned to the States after being dismissed from his work. Since then, Arata Endo was in charge of the classrooms on the east wing, and the structure took on a U shape in September 1925. Presently, we are using this room as a PR room for Jiyu Gakuen in Higashikurume by exhibiting the school life there through pictorial panels and pamphlets. Jiyu Gakuen has a 25-acre campus that is abundant in nature and provides continuous education from kindergarten and elementary school through the college. For junior high and high school, the girls and boys are educated separately. The girls' department's dining hall, gymnasium, and auditorium, as well as the elementary school dining hall and the boys' department's gymnasium, were built by Arata Endo when the school was relocated in 1934. These 5 buildings are still in use while being designated as historical buildings by the Tokyo Metropolitan Government.